Hey guys, in this video, we'll be learning how to draw a parallelogram subway tiles. Let's get started. Alright, so this is the parallel subway tiles which we are going to create. Right, so right now I'm going to create over here. Okay, so first thing we click into the tiling function. Alright, so we are going to use the customize tiles function to create the parallel subway tiles. Alright. Next, double click onto either your wall or your floor. Okay, so I'm going to just create on my wall. Alright, so first thing you want to do is click onto the tile library. Alright, so we are going to use one of the tiles. Alright, so just drag it out and put it on your wall. Alright, next thing you want to do is click onto the tiles and do the resize. Okay, so I'm going to change my width to 300 and I'm going to change my height to 900. Right, once I'm done resizing, okay, we can click onto the brick processing. All right, over here, next thing you want to do is you want to customize and cut the corners. All right, so click on customize and then make sure you untick the select all so that we can customize it manually. All right, so I'm going to customize. I'm going to cut my tiles over here. Okay, so at the bottom right corner, so just click and press this. Right, side cut. Okay, next thing you want to do is put the width and put the height. All right, so 300, 300. Okay, so you can untick and tick this lock. All right, so I can just make it parallel easily, 300 for both. Okay, next thing you want to do is just place it, position it. Okay, so put here 0. Okay, and then over here, same thing, we put 0. All right, next we are going to continue creating. Okay, I'm going to create for the right hand side first. Okay, so same thing, we drag a new tiles. Okay, same method, change the width, change the height. Okay, once we are done resizing, click onto brick processing. All right, customize, and then now I would like to cut over here. Okay, so at the left corner, bottom left. Right, so same thing, I'm going to change my width and my height to 300. Right, once I'm done, just drag and place it right here. Alright, so for the second row of the tiles, okay, it's slightly a little bit different. Okay, so you need to know where to cut. Alright, you need to know how to customize. Okay, so for all sides. Alright, so now maybe we can copy. Okay, so just right click, copy, and then just paste the tiles. Okay, so copy and paste just like that. Okay, if we need to adjust the position, then we manually just type it in. Okay, same thing for this. Okay, I'm going to use the shortcut Ctrl C, Ctrl V, just place it here. Alright, so for the last brick, okay, so this one, the size would be a little bit different. Okay, so this one, the height I would put 1000. Alright, so this is the last tiles. Alright, so I just want it to cover all the way through. Okay, same thing, brick processing. Okay, so you need to know I need to cut over here. Alright, so this part 300. Alright, there should be. Okay, just join them together, right? 1802. Okay, 180. Let's put 1803. Okay, and one last one. Resize. Okay, the height is 1000. Okay, and then you can click on brick processing and cut. All right, so this one would be the top right, 300, right? And then just drag and place it. All right, once I have 2 rows of my tiles, I can just hold on to my control button and then just highlight the 2 rows of the tiles and right click and just use the spread function. It will just spread across the entire wall. And there you have it. So this is how to draw parallelogram subway tiles. Good luck trying, guys.